Did you know that certain shoes can make you appear shorter or even add years to your look? It's not your height that's the issue, it's what you choose to wear on your feet. After 50, many petite women feel frustrated with their appearance without realizing the problem isn't their body, but the small details they overlook. Today, I'll reveal which shoes you should avoid and what to wear instead to instantly elongate your silhouette. Being petite isn't a flaw, but certain types of footwear can emphasize your height in a negative way. They can cut off your legs, disrupt your proportions, or add unnecessary visual weight. In this video, you'll discover the 9 types of shoes that don't flatter petite women over 50, and more importantly, what to wear instead to achieve elegance, visual height, and confidence in every step. But before we dive in, let me ask you, what kind of shoes do you usually wear? Have you ever felt like a particular style made you look shorter or older? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Ankle straps, especially thick ones, create a visual break in the vertical line of your leg. For petite women, this means losing precious inches instantly. The strap cuts off the leg right where it should flow seamlessly, making your body appear shorter and, in some cases, wider. The solution: opt for shoes with an open vamp, such as slingbacks or designs that expose more skin. This creates the illusion of a longer leg. If you love sandals, choose styles with thin or transparent straps. If you prefer ankle straps, select ones that match your skin tone or blend with the shoe's colour to maintain visual continuity. Shoes with chunky soles, rigid materials, or overly thick platforms overwhelm the lower body. For petite women, this extra visual weight disrupts proportion and makes the silhouette appear heavier. Additionally, bulky shoes often compromise comfort and mobility. Choose lightweight shoes with delicate lines and flexible materials. The goal is balance. Your footwear shouldn't distract from your silhouette, but complement it with subtle sophistication. Boots that end mid-calf are a petite woman's worst enemy. The horizontal line they create visually shortens the legs and can make the lower body look unbalanced. If the boots are tight or thick, they add unwanted volume, further diminishing verticality. Opt for knee-high boots or ankle boots that match the colour of your pants or tights. Colour continuity elongates the legs and creates a seamless, elegant look, especially important for women over 60. While many believe towering heels automatically elongate the legs, for petite women over 60, they often cause more harm than good. Ultra-thin or excessively high heels compromise stability, strain the feet, and can alter posture, leading to discomfort or even insecurity while walking. Choose medium-height heels with a block or wedge design. These provide height without sacrificing comfort or safety. Remember, style shouldn't equal pain. The right heel can add both inches and confidence. Though they may seem comfortable, shoes with completely rounded toes visually shrink the feet, making the legs appear shorter. For petite women, this can create a disproportionate look, as if the body ends abruptly. Rounded toes can also add an unintentionally childish touch, detracting from elegance. Select shoes with a slightly pointed or almond-shaped toe. This subtle elongation of the footsline enhances sophistication and creates a more streamlined silhouette. Shoes in starkly contrasting colours to your skin tone, like black on fair legs or white on darker skin, create a harsh visual break. This interrupts the leg's line, making it appear shorter. For petite women, the effect is even more pronounced. Opt for nude, beige or skin-toned shoes. These shades blend seamlessly with your legs, creating the illusion of length. Colour harmony is one of the most powerful styling tricks for petite women. Large bows, flashy buckles, or bold prints might seem charming, but for petite women, they steal attention and add unnecessary visual weight. These details draw the eye downward, disrupting the flow of your outfit and making the silhouette appear unbalanced. Choose shoes with clean lines, solid colours, and minimal detailing. An understated design lets your overall look shine. Your shoes should complement you, not overpower you. Straps that crisscross over the foot create horizontal lines, visually shortening the legs. For petite women, this design can make the feet look smaller and the body appear stubbier. Look for shoes with thin vertical straps or open designs that expose the vamp. A clean, streamlined shoe elongates the legs and enhances modernity without sacrificing comfort. Sometimes the problem isn't the shoe itself, but the reason behind choosing it. Many petite women avoid stylish footwear out of fear, opting for bland or invisible options, but hiding your height limits your potential. Embrace your stature and dress for it, not against it. Select shoes that make you feel confident, comfortable, and authentically you. Your height isn't a limitation, it's simply part of who you are. Avoiding these shoes isn't about strict rules. It's about creating a harmonious, elegant, and confident silhouette. At 50 and beyond, you don't need to chase trends. You need to discover what works for you and walk with intention. So tell me, which of these mistakes have you unknowingly made? What type of footwear makes you feel most confident and comfortable? Your insights could help other petite women looking to refine their style. If this guide resonated with you, share it with a friend who deserves to walk with elegance and confidence. After all, being petite isn't a flaw. It's a unique trait that, when styled thoughtfully, can radiate grace and power.